Kapatid, musta? Tara, Bible study tayo. Basahin natin ang Isaiah chapter 5 verse 20. What sorrow for those who say that evil is good and good is evil, that dark is light and light is dark, that bitter is sweet and sweet is bitter. Kapatid, may pagdurusang naghihintay sa mga taong ginagawang tama ang mali at ginagawang mali ang tama. We have no excuse dahil tinuro na sa atin ng Diyos kung ano ang tama at mali. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nakokonsensya sa tuwing tayo'y nakakagawa ng kasalanan. Ang sabi sa Romans chapter 2 verse 14 and 15, even Gentiles who do not have God's written law show that they know His law when they instinctively obey it, even without having heard it. They demonstrate that God's law is written in their hearts, for their own conscience and thoughts either accuse them or tell them they are doing right. Kapatid, ang paggawa ng mabuti ay parang pagtatanim. Darating ang araw ay aanihin mo ang kabutihan at kapayapaang dulot ng pagsunod mo sa kalooban ng ating Panginoong Hesus. Yun lamang po, mag-iingat po kayo and God bless.